gũtara mbere ya acirithania mũgwanja a igoti itũgĩru magĩtongorio nĩ mũcirithania mũnene Martha Koome maheane itua rĩa cira wa gũtetia gĩthurano kĩa mweri mũthiru. Kanitha nĩ ũhoeire acirithania acio magakinyanĩria itua rĩa kũhanda bũrũri.
Tunaombea jopo hili la majaji wakuu waweze kwa njia yoyote ile kufikia maamuzi ya kisolomoni, kwamba waweze kutambua na kutuelekeza.
Tuwache mahakama ya upeo itoe maamuzi yake. Tuwache rais atakayetangazwa atangazwe.
We have to keep our conscience alive. Alive to the fact that God has given us a united country. It doesn't matter where you come from. Unity should come first.
In the face of God, I believe this chance is given to us to grow as a Kenyan nation, to seek improving our electoral process.
Kaju ya athikabu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki mũrĩti acirithania acio mathingatithie kĩhoto na uma magĩtua cira.
We say justice without peace is no peace. But we also say peace without justice, there's still something will be missing. There is no peace without justice, and there is no justice without peace. But therefore, all have to stand for the truth.
And now that the matter is on the Supreme Court, I pray that the judgment through the jurisprudence of the law and the wisdom given by God, they'll give the right verdict.
Ahunjia na kanitha riu maroria a Kenya matigetikire gucogerwo ni ateti indi mathingatithie thayũ itua riu rikiheanwo Jumatatu ino ni undu wa ruciu rwa bũrũri.
Ninachowaomba wa Kenya ni kuwa let us maintain peace and let us trust God for better tomorrow.
It's a very important moment. Don't be persuaded by any political or any group at all kuingia makundi ya kuleta hali ya upotovu wa amani nchi yetu.
Ninataka kuwaomba wa Kenya wasiende barabarani, waende kazini kwao. Hakuna kipato tutapata barabarani, na barabarani ndio nafasi ya hooliganism, ya looting, ya violence.
And after the verdict, I'll also ask we all Kenyans to observe peace, because it's within peace. Even the Bible says it's when there's peace and love within brothers and sisters that blessings can be poured upon us.
We are dutifully to follow the decision of these courts, and especially when it costs so much to bring this country together, and the work done by our predecessors, and the thing we call our country Kenya, which is so beautiful. If we mess it up, we have many examples around us who have messed their democracy, who have messed up their democracy in such a way that their countries have become a difficult place to live in.
Riri ni rita rĩa kana rungu rwa gatiba ya mwaka wa 2010 bũrũri wetereire itua rĩrĩ na ũritũ wa gĩkĩro gĩkĩ na gũtirĩ rĩerũ rĩtanyĩtwo kũheanwo nĩ acirithania nĩ amu matuano merĩ akorwo gĩthurano nĩ gĩakinyanĩirie watho rĩgakorwo rĩrĩ itua ta rĩa mwaka wa 2013 na akorwo gĩthurano gĩtiarũmĩrĩire watho rĩgakorwo rĩhana ta itua rĩa gĩthurano kĩa mbere kĩa mwaka wa 2017. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.